You can find everything in a French bakery, from cakes to baguettes to tarts and to other French pastries. And yes, let's not forget the famous French macarons. 1969, the park is relatively new and remains one of the largest green open spaces in Paris. If you want a little bit of peace and quiet for your picnic, this is the park for you. Good morning, guys. So I'm here. I came to just post something and then I decided to get something from the bakery that was just around the corner. And I'm here right now at Parc Montsouris, which is a very, very, very beautiful park and also has some history, which I will tell you when I'm at it. But yes, see what I got. No, wait, actually, first you should see where I am and how pretty it looks. So I decided to sit at a place near the pond and enjoy this view. And also, I usually come here to run, but today I'm planning to eat. And here is my food. Yes. Got these things, and this is very famous, very typical pain au chocolat, which is, oops, I forgot. Yeah, very typical pain au chocolat. And trust me, this is amazing, and I always love it. And I make sure to buy it. And then I have this beautiful cookie, choco chip cookie, which is beautiful and huge. And yes, last but not the least, my favorite orange juice with the view. So I spent total €4.50 on this breakfast and decided to sit back and relax for a while. Parc Montsouris is the second largest park in Paris after Boulangerie. The park was the last of the four large parks created by Napoleon III at the four cardinal points of the compass around Paris. Napoleon III decreed to construction of park in 1865, but purchasing the land took time and work did not begin until 1867. This park is more than 35 acres with more than 1400 trees, lots of birds, swans and ducks. It is a great place to relax in all the seasons. I'm sure you can hear this water stream here. People usually come here to meditate. And along with this water stream, you can also hear some kids playing around at this spot. This park looks even more beautiful during the autumn season or the fall because all these green trees turn golden and beautifully yellow. The gates for this park close at 7 p.m. every day, but actually during few weeks of the summer, they are open for 24 hours. And at that time, you can see people partying around. The restaurant in the park is Pavilion Montsouris, which was built in the end of 19th century for the 1892 Universal Exhibition. It is a historical monument and many renowned people have also come here. You'll enjoy Parc Montsouris if you like large green spaces and if you've already seen the major high spots of Paris. During the summertime, choose to come if possible during the weekdays. It will be much more peaceful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please hit the like, share and subscribe button and stay tuned for more vlogs.